Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Poolife NST Tablet Feeder. The Poolife NST Tablet Feeder is designed to sanitize pools using the Poolife NST Feeder Tablets. Once installed, simply add the tablets periodically and adjust the flow of chlorine to allow the correct chlorine residual to be always present in your water at all times. Use this feeder to efficiently sanitize your pool water to ensure a safe bathing environment for everyone to enjoy. Product benefits: easily plumbed between the pool pump and filter, helps maintain a constant chlorine level, for use in both in-ground and above-ground pools, for residential pools up to 50,000 gallons. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.